Collaborate and conquer. In the bustling village of Chintapur, an exciting event was announced, a grand cooking competition. The challenge? To prepare a unique dish using secret ingredients revealed on the day of the contest. The winners would earn the title of Master Chefs of Chintapur and a shiny golden ladle. The competition allowed teams of 4, so the village children eagerly formed groups. Among them were 4 friends: Anjali, who loved experimenting with recipes; Ravi, who was quick with his hands; Sneha, who was great at planning; and Aman, the most curious and imaginative of all. On the day of the contest, the secret ingredients were unveiled: rice, coconut, spices, and jaggery. Anjali's eyes lit up. "We can make a sweet dish." "No," said Ravi, shaking his head. "A spicy dish would be better." Sneha frowned. "Wait, we need a plan first. Let's not rush." Meanwhile, Aman, who had never cooked before, was busy daydreaming about building a coconut tower instead of cooking. The friends began to argue. Time ticked away, and they hadn't started. Other teams were already grinding spices and cooking. Their teacher, Mrs. Lata, walked over and said, "Why aren't you working as a team? Collaboration is the only way you'll win." The friends looked at each other. Sneha sighed. "She's right. Let's stop arguing and combine our skills." Anjali suggested, "How about a dish that is both sweet and spicy? I can guide the recipe." Ravi grinned. "I can chop the ingredients and grind the spices quickly." Sneha smiled. "And I'll make sure we work efficiently and present it beautifully." Aman, now focused, said, "I'll mix the ingredients and help wherever needed." With their plan in place, they started working together. Ravi chopped coconuts and ground spices at lightning speed. Anjali skillfully mixed jaggery with spices to create a perfect balance of flavors. Sneha arranged the rice and coconut mixture into small, beautiful dumplings. Aman added a creative touch by shaping the dumplings like tiny lotus flowers. As the clock ticked down, their dish was ready: Lotus Surprise, a unique blend of sweet and spicy flavors. When the judges came to their table, they were impressed by the dish's taste and presentation. "This is delicious and creative. How did you come up with it?" asked one judge. Anjali replied, "We worked together and combined our ideas." The judges smiled. "Well, your collaboration paid off. You are the winners." The team cheered and held the golden ladle high. From that day on, they realized that working together and respecting each other's strengths could help them conquer any challenge. Moral of the story: collaboration allows us to combine strengths, overcome challenges, and achieve greatness together.